In this video, we are going to sequentially turn LED on and off. We also call this example Night Rider, a memory to a TV series from the 80s where the famous David Hasselhoff had an AM machine driving his Pontiac. The car had been augmented with plenty of LEDs in all possible sizes, performing flashy effects. Thus, in order to learn more about sequential programming and good programming techniques for the I/O board, it would be interesting to use the Night Rider as a metaphor. In Nikon, I have defined pins 2 to 7 as output. I have used a for loop in the setup. I can initialize every pin as output individually, but this just lengthens the code. This is the easiest way using for loop to read each pin or to make each pin as an output. In the while loop, I have just attached two for loops where from in one for loop the LEDs will go from left to right, and in the another loop the LEDs will blink or will move from right to left. There will be a delay of 100 milliseconds. Let's compile the code now. Once the code is compiled, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.